Hey everyone, welcome back to Learning English is Easy. My name is Tom.
And I'm Anna. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Today we have something very special for you.
Yes, today we have 15 simple English conversations for beginners.
These conversations are easy, fun, and useful for everyday life.
You can listen, relax, and enjoy. You don't need to understand every word. Just listen and learn.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Learning English is Easy.
And please like this video and share it with your friends. It helps our channel a lot.
Are you ready?
Let's start with Conversation 1.
Conversation 1. Meeting for the first time.
Hi, my name is Anna. What's your name?
Hi Anna, I'm Tom. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Tom. Where are you from?
I'm from London. And you?
I'm from Berlin. Do you live here?
Yes, I live near the park. What about you?
I live in the city center, near the big mall.
Oh, that's cool. Do you like it there?
Yes, it's great. There are many shops and cafes.
Nice. Maybe one day we can have a coffee there.
That sounds good.
Conversation 2, talking about the weather.
Hey, Tom, how are you today?
I'm good, thanks. Wow, it's so sunny today.
Yes, it is. The weather is really nice.
Yesterday it was cold and rainy.
I know. Yesterday I stayed at home all day.
Me too. I watched a movie and drank hot chocolate.
That sounds perfect for a rainy day.
What's your favorite weather, Anna?
I like warm and sunny days, but not too hot.
Same here. I don't like very hot days.
In very hot weather, I just want to sleep all day.
I just want ice cream all day.
Of course you do.
Conversation 3, at a cafe.
Hi, Tom. Do you want to go to a cafe?
Sure, I love coffee. Let's go.
Okay, here we are. What would you like?
I would like a latte, please. And you?
I want an iced coffee and a chocolate cake.
Nice choice. You always choose something sweet.
Yes, I love dessert. Do you want a cake too?
No thanks. If I eat cake now, I will sleep in the afternoon.
Maybe that's not a bad idea.
For me it is. I have work to do.
Okay, one latte and one iced coffee, please.
And one chocolate cake.
Thank you.
Conversation 4, talking about jobs.
So, Tom, what do you do?
I'm an English teacher. I teach beginners.
That's great. Do you like your job?
Yes, I like it a lot. My students are very funny.
Do they listen to you?
Sometimes. When I talk about games, they listen. When I talk about grammar, they sleep.
I understand. Grammar can be difficult.
What about you, Anna? What do you do?
I work at a bookstore.
Wow, that sounds nice.
Yes, I like books. And I like talking to people about books.
Do you read a lot?
Yes, I read every day. Do you read?
Yes, I read, but slowly.
That's okay. Slow is good. Slow means you are thinking.
I like this idea.
Conversation 5 at the supermarket.
Hey, Anna, I need to go to the supermarket. Do you want to come?
Sure, I need some things too.
Okay, I need milk, bread, and eggs.
Let me see my list. I need apples, rice, and pasta.
Great. Let's get a basket.
Look, the apples are on sale today.
Nice, you can save money.
Yes, and I like saving money.
The bread is over there. Do you want some bread too?
No, I already have bread at home.
Okay, I will just take one loaf.
Do you want any snacks?
No, if I buy snacks, I eat everything in one night.
I think many people do that.
Conversation 6. Talking about hobbies.
Tom, what do you do in your free time?
I like playing video games and watching movies. What about you?
I like reading books and going for walks.
That sounds healthy. My hobbies are not very healthy.
It's okay. Do you play games every day?
Not every day. Maybe 3 times a week.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedies. I like to laugh.
I like comedies too, but I also like mystery films.
Mysteries are good. I always try to guess the ending.
Do you guess correctly?
Almost never.
Same here.
Conversation 7. Making weekend plans.
Hey, Tom, what are you doing this weekend?
I'm not sure yet. Maybe I will stay at home and relax. What about you?
I want to go to the park on Saturday.
That sounds nice. What will you do there?
I will walk, listen to music, and maybe read a book.
That's a perfect day for you.
Yes. On Sunday, I will visit my parents.
Do they live far away?
No, they live about 30 minutes from here.
That's good. You can see them often.
Yes, I try to visit them every 2 weeks.
Maybe I will go to the park too on Saturday.
If you see me, say hi.
Of course.
Conversation 8 at the bus stop.
Hello, Anna. Are you waiting for the bus?
Hi, Tom. Yes, I am. The bus is late again.
How long have you been waiting?
About 15 minutes.
Wow, that's a long time.
Yes, the buses are always late in the morning.
Where are you going?
I'm going to work. And you?
I'm going to the library.
That's nice. Do you go there often?
Yes, I like to work there. It's quiet.
I like quiet places too.
Oh, look, I think the bus is coming now.
Finally.
Conversation 9. Talking about daily routine.
Tom, what is your typical day like?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m. Then I drink coffee and have breakfast.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat toast with butter and jam. Sometimes I eat cereal.
That sounds good. What do you do after breakfast?
I go to work at 8 a.m. I teach English until 3 p.m.
And after work?
I go home, have dinner, and then I relax. Sometimes I watch TV, sometimes I read.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at around 11 p.m. What about your day?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m. and I start work at 9 a.m. In the evening, I cook, read, and sometimes I call my friends.
Your day sounds busy.
A little, but I like it.
Conversation 10. At the doctor.
Hi, Tom. You look tired. Are you okay?
I have a small headache. I went to the doctor this morning.
Oh, no. What did the doctor say?
The doctor said it's nothing serious. I just need more sleep and less coffee.
More sleep and less coffee? That sounds difficult for you.
Yes, very difficult. Coffee is my best friend.
Maybe now sleep can be your new best friend.
I will try. The doctor gave me some medicine, too.
That's good. I hope you feel better soon.
Thank you, Anna. I just need to rest.
Yes, take care of yourself.
Conversation 11. Talking about food.
Tom, what's your favorite food?
That's a hard question. I like pizza, burgers, pasta, everything.
You like everything.
Almost everything. I don't like very spicy food.
I love spicy food.
Really? How spicy?
Very spicy. If I don't cry when I eat, it's not spicy enough.
That's scary.
What's your favorite pizza topping?
I like cheese and mushrooms. And you?
I like vegetables on my pizza.
That's healthy. My pizza is not very healthy.
It's okay. You can eat healthy tomorrow.
I say that every day.
Conversation 12. Talking about languages.
Anna, you speak English very well. Do you speak other languages too?
Thank you. Yes, I speak German and a little Spanish.
That's amazing. How did you learn English?
I learned English at school and I also watched a lot of videos online.
That's a good way to learn.
Yes, and I talk with my friends in English.
I think practice is very important.
Yes, practice a little every day.
Do you find English difficult?
Sometimes, yes. The pronunciation can be difficult.
I know. English pronunciation is not always logical.
But I like the language. It's fun.
I'm happy you like it.
Conversation 13. Inviting a friend. Hey, Tom, are you busy this Friday?
Let me think. No, I don't think so. Why?
I'm having a small dinner at my place. Would you like to come?
That sounds nice. What time?
At 7 p.m.
Great. Can I bring something?
You can bring a drink if you want.
Okay, I will bring some juice.
Perfect. I will cook pasta and a salad.
I already like this dinner.
And maybe we can play a game after we eat.
I'm in. Thank you for the invitation.
You're welcome. See you on Friday.
Conversation 14. Talking about travel. Anna, do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling. Do you?
Yes, I do, but I don't travel very often.
Where would you like to go?
I would like to visit Japan one day.
Japan sounds amazing. Why Japan?
I like the culture, the food, and the cities.
I would like to go to Japan too. I also want to visit Canada.
Canada is beautiful. I see many pictures online.
Where have you traveled before?
I have been to Spain and Italy.
Nice. I have been to France and Portugal.
Do you like flying?
Not really, but I like arriving in a new place.
Yes, that's the best part.
Conversation 15. Saying goodbye. So, Tom, this is our last conversation for today.
Yes, 15 conversations in one video. That's a lot.
We talked about meeting people, weather, food, travel, and more.
We hope you learned many new words and phrases.
Remember, you don't need to understand everything the first time.
You can come back and listen again anytime.
Listening many times helps your brain remember English.
Before we go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Learning English is easy.
And please like this video and share it with your friends who want to learn English.
Your support helps us make more free lessons for you.
Tell us in the comments, which conversation was your favorite?
And what topic do you want in the next video?
Thank you for watching and learning with us.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.